Have you ever go out on a shoot, take photos, collecting gold in your camera, go home, transfer all the files into your laptop, your computer, and delete all the files from the memory cards, only to find out that you have not transferred all of those photos into the laptop or computer? If that happens to you, now we're talking. That's exactly what happened to me. 2 months ago, we went out camping to Turon Gates, which is somewhere between Blue Mountains and central New South Wales. And I transferred all the photos into my computer and I formatted the memory cards because I had a job a weekend after. Normally I copied the files twice into 2 different hard drives, but because that was for personal use and I was in a rush, I thought, okay, that's cool, just 1 hard drive is enough for now. And when I revisited the videos to make a vlog, that's when I realized that I've lost so many footage. I did my research for the recovery software, and long story short, more than $180 later and countless hours doing all this research, recovering the files, repairing the files. I didn't know that some files actually need repairing even though that's already recovered. The movie, the recovered footage just doesn't play. There's still a lot of footage that I cannot recover. The storm was just finished on that night and I took footage of flashing night skies. That's gone. That was one of the footage that I actually really look forward to have. Campfires and those footage are crucial to build the storyline that I want to build. But here I am, better late than never. I've got all the recovered footage compiled together into this vlog. Better late than never. Create something today, even if it sucks. Hope you enjoy the video. Hungry, so we're gonna make some lunch now. They're actually next to the river. The kids are just with the missus in the river. Beautiful spot. Yeah, let's get cooking. We've got this beef bulgogi that we got from Woolies. It's nice, so this will be our lunch for now.
Welcome to the reality of camping. Raining so hard at the moment at Turon gates. Stormy weather. Lucky we do have a canopy. Really good cover. A hot soup. Barefoot. Pretty cold.
You know I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing I will end up together